Hey guys, welcome to Almo Fam. As promised, I am back with one more origami tutorial. In this video, I am going to show how to make a paper airplane. We have many memories with flights and choppers. Whenever we hear a sound, we go out and see where the flight is going and how it is going. Now let's make a paper airplane and bring those memories back. Before getting into the video, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, please subscribe and make sure that you press that bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever we upload a video. Making this paper airplane is very easy. For this we just need 4 pieces of paper of dimensions 9 by 9 centimeters. Here I have taken 9 by 9 centimeters. You can take 10 by 10 or 11 by 11 or 12 by 12. But make sure that all the pieces are in square shape. Now let's get into the video and see how to make this plane. So guys, our paper plane is ready. If you liked it, do try and say in comment box which colors you used and how you felt it after making. Not only paper plane, I'll be back with many more origami tutorials in our Almo Farm channel. So stay tuned for the new videos. If you liked the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.